Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. With Tripo, I will generate 3D models. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer. Right click, new and solid. Add name Elements 3D. So I will use Elements 3D for create 3D animation. Let's go to FX, Video Copilot, Element. So before import 3D models, let's generate this. And for this, I will use Tripo. Let me show how. So on dashboard Tripo, we have image generation, 3D model generation, we have HD model and smart mesh, and segmentation, retopology, texture, and animate. Today we will focus to image generation, then model generation with HD model and smart mesh. So first one, let's go to image and generate images. We can write here prompt. For example, let's try to write, I will generate my images here, and the best part, you can write here very simple prompt and Tripo will understand what you want. For example, I was right here generate 3D minimal cartoon village house with yard, and here is the results. And I have choose this version. After write prompt here, we can choose templates. Let's click here. We can choose styles game, 3D printing or style, and generation model. Let's click here. We have Nano Banana 2, GPD Mage 2, and other AI models. Aspect ratio, we can choose here this ratio, and number of images, 4. After the settings, we can click generate image. So time to generate 3D models. Let's go to here, this image, and we have two ways: high detailed model and smart topology mesh. First one, let me explain you what's difference. If you want high detailed model up to 2 million polygons for 3D printing and visual arts, you can choose HD model. But smart mesh is perfect if you don't need high detailed models and just want to get 3D model quickly. And the best part, you can generate a model in just 5 seconds. I will use Buffface for generate 3D models. First one, let's go to generate and choose high detailed model. Okay, in generation section, we can choose general settings, texture and topology. Let's enable AI complete and also texture enable. Also, we can see something new, 8K textures, let's choose, and PBR. And topology, we can choose triangle or quad. Let's choose quad. So we can see ultra mesh quality enable, generate in parts. This is also new feature. If I want this clouds, house and other elements with parts, I can enable generate in parts. 8K texture enable, and AI model, I will choose the last model version 3.1, best quality, and generate model. And here we go, it's done, and let's look details. Okay, textures, models, and details is very well. Here is the flowers and trees. Okay, that's good. So we have some buttons here. We can see solid view for see details like this. Also with normal map, cartoon style, sketch style, and with hologram style. And we can retry here and export. Right here, house. If you use After Effects, you can choose GLB. I will use Elements 3D and let's choose OBJ. Bottom pivot, let's enable and click export. I will use these some settings for other images for generate 3D models. Let's do this fast. So in this time, choose these clouds and go to generate 3D model. I will use smart topology mesh because I want to very quickly and fast 3D models. Let's go to generate settings and topology triangles, and we can control polygons here and click generate. Okay, it's done. Let's click texture. Okay, here we go. It's done, and with the lighting, clouds will look very better. Okay, let's also export, go to OBJ and export. Okay guys, time to rigging. Let's go to Animate and AI model. We have two versions here. Version 2.5 good for animals, version 1 good for humanoid. So let's choose for animals and click for auto rig. Okay, rigging is done, and let's enable escalation. We can see escalation inside the model. Very nice. And let's try rigging in this character. Go to AI model and choose version 1 good for humanoid. and auto rig. Okay, rigging is done and we can see escalation here, and let's use this animation presets. I will use animation for grading. Let's use this grid 3. Okay, let's click play. Nice, very good. And also this grid 3. Okay, cool. We can use this animation in our scenes. Let's switch to After Effects. So let's talk about pricing. Use my invite link to get 500 bonus credit on Tripo. They are also running their first anniversary special right now. New users can try Pro for just $9.9 for the first month, and Max is also $45 off for the first month, and you will get double credits. So we have models here. For example, let's open house, and we have OBJ file, also textures, base color, normal and roughness, and also I was export cat and character GLB files. Let's back to After Effects and open scene setup and go to import, and let's import all of the models. First open house and choose this house, click open, click OK, normalize size and open inside texture. Let's go to diffuse and load texture. Let's choose base color and open and click OK. Also we can add here normal map and also roughness and metallics. Select this model and let's move it up like this, and for lighting let's go to down and we can see surface options. Let's choose auto normals. Okay, we can see all reflections and more lighting. Go to presets, environment and backlights. Search here more lighting here. Let's choose this and go to create. Let's create new plane and go to materials and physicals and use gray material. Go to plane model and change color to green. Okay, so in this time let's import other models. So in this time choose mailbox door and turn on anchor point. Let's move to left down like this. Select this rotation tool and let's change rotate for open. Okay, that's good. So in this time choose this mailbox and go to AUX channels. Let's choose this channel 1 and select orange tool and anchor point, move it down to here, select rotation. Let's see. Okay, also select this orange tool, go to AUX channels, choose channel 2 and okay. So let's create camera, right click new and camera. I will use presets 50mm. Click OK and press C for control camera tools. Also we can control here. Let's zoom to like this. Okay, let's create new background layer, add name background and move to behind of elements 3D and search effect gradient ramp, use gradient ramp. And start color, let's choose blue and end color also blue but light. So in this time choose this camera and right click, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon and choose this null, press P. Let's create new passing keyframe and go to 3 seconds and move it down. Select keyframes and make it easy. Let's preview animation. Nice. Let's zoom to more. Nice. And let's choose village image, move to behind of elements 3D and change scale. Okay, and we can use mask for this part and invert mask. Open mask inside and make feather. Okay, so in this time select this camera, let's open inside, camera option and dipole fill. Let's turn on. Let's use to focus for this house. Okay, and aperture. Nice, let's see. Okay, very good. So now we can create next scene for open mailbox. So let's choose composition and duplicate with Ctrl D and open animation and choose this null, press U and let's remove these keyframes and press C. Let's control camera. Let's zoom to like this. So in this time, let's select these elements 3D and go to FX control, render settings, and ambient occlusion. Let's enable 4 realistic shadows. And this, let's write here 8. And go to first group and AUX channels, channel 1. We can control with rotation. Let's see. Nice. And let's create new keyframe. Press U and go to here. Let's change rotation like this for open and write -140. Go to some keyframes with page down. Write -135. Nice. Very good. And in this time, go to project, choose these 2 compositions, drag and drop for create new composition, and OK. Let's right click import file and choose cat and character. This is GLB files. And click import, select this character, let's drag and drop into composition and make comp size, click OK. And here we go, let's open inside animation option and choose animation name like this. Okay, it works. Very good. And let's right click new and camera. Let's choose 50 millimeters, click OK and zoom to character. And let's right click new and light. Choose here light type environment, click OK. And let's open environment light inside. Choose this EXR file, drag and drop into composition and height. And let's choose here country yard. And now we can see lighting is working in our character. So also select this cat, drag and drop into composition, make comp size, click OK. Okay, and let's create new solid layer, color white and ground. Click OK. And turn on 3D layer. And here we go. It works. So guys, that's all, and really with Tripo we can create 3D animations for YouTube channels, for video games, printing and more. These really best tools for 3D artists. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.